Hi friends and welcome back to Just Cooking with Avi. So today we are going to make rich, tender, juicy beef roast. Being an Anglo-Indian, roast is such a comforting meal for me. A good roast is so soulful. My mom made the best roast ever, and every time when I try her recipes, I always hope that it just tastes like hers. Take the meat of your choice like beef, mutton, wash it, dry it and pick it with a fork so all the spices are well absorbed. So let's prepare for marination. So here do not skip the black salt, right? My mom used to use the rock black salt, but whatever is available, I'm going to use that. And once you mix all the ingredients, you're going to massage the meat really well. If you really want a good roast, then you should marinate it overnight. But of course, if you do not have time, minimum an hour should be fine. Roasts are so festive. I remember Christmas, Easters were never completed without a good roast. And if you have potatoes in them, then it goes to a different level. So here I'll be cooking the roast in the pressure cooker because it will save me on time. So the oil is hot and I'm going to add some potatoes and fry them till they are slightly golden brown. So if you can see them, I have cut the potatoes big, and once they are golden brown, I will keep them aside. Now it's time to add the meat chunks, and you need to saute them till they are nicely golden brown. Sauteing the meat will take some time. You need to saute for at least minimum 20 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring it occasionally so it's cooked evenly both sides. So at this point the roast looks nice and golden brown, and I'm going to keep it aside. So in the same oil, I'm going to put the whole spices one by one, and then I'm going to add the sliced onions. For this recipe, I will suggest that you use the red onions, avoid the white onions. You can also roughly slice the onions, you don't have to slice them very finely. Onions are slightly golden brown, and it's time to add the leftover marination masala. Saute the masala for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Continuously keep mixing it so the spices doesn't get burnt. Carefully add the beef chunks one at a time and add vinegar. Here I am adding white vinegar, but if you have the red vinegar, that would be great. I can see the oil has surfaced up and the spices have cooked really well. So here I'm adding meat stock. You can add water also if you do not have meat stock, but that really adds on to the flavor. After closing the lid, I will cook it on high flame, and when the first whistle comes, I will lower the gas and I cook for 10 minutes. Timing of cooking meat differentiate from place to place, and quality of meat also. So here take your own judgment. Add the fried potatoes and cook them in the gravy on medium flame till they are nice and tender. Potatoes are nice and tender, you can remove them. It smells so good. So here I'm going to slice the meat chunk into thin strips. Can't wait to try this. It looks so juicy, soft, tender, and look at the steam coming out. I have already removed the potatoes, and here I'm adding the sliced meat into the masala. I'm going to saute just for a minute as meat is already cooked. I just want to coat all the spices, all the masala on the beef. It looks divine. My husband came running from his study and saying, "What's you cooking for dinner? It smells so good." If you like this beef roast recipe, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.